ClearMeasure is an Octopus Deploy consulting partner for North America, and we're a software architecture company, and we love empowering software teams to be highly effective. And we focus on Microsoft software teams that are using Visual Studio to do their development, .NET teams. And so you can find us at clearmeasure.com. Anything that we talk about, if you want to get it later, or if you're even watching the recording of this later, just go on our website. There's a contact form, and you can ask for those resources there. And of course, you can go to octopus.com, and you can see all of the different partners all over the world. And of course, for North America and USA, you'll see ClearMeasure right there. A past webinar that was really fun, I did with Paul Stovall, the founder of Octopus Deploy. We talked about database DevOps, and so you can go back and look in the webinar archives, and it's on ClearMeasure archives. It's also on the Octopus archives, but we put a short link there for you, bit.ly/Octopus database, if you want to go and look at that webinar. That was kind of fun. So our agenda today, we want to kind of help you think and understand about the state of automated deployments and DevOps today. So we're going to some information, but then we're also going to demonstrate the latest in Octopus Deploy with a containerized application, as well as config as code and infrastructure as code, and how all of those features fit together to support trunk-based development when you're doing automated deployments, but you might have any number of feature branches going at one point in time. So that's kind of what we're gonna get to here. And now I'm gonna just kind of hand it off to John to just give us the overview state of software deployments.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, Jeffrey. Hello, everyone. I'm John. I'm at Octopus Deploy. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out. Happy to connect at any time.